Hi there, welcome back to my channel. If you're a subscriber, thanks so much for joining me again. If you're new to my channel, my name is May, and I like to do videos on luxury goods, unboxings, cooking, beauty, you name it, or request it, and I'll do it. So today I have something really exciting to share with you guys. I got the notification that my package was delivered, so I rushed home and ta-da! Here it is. Super stoked. I'm going to be unboxing it for you guys. You will go ahead and have to excuse me. My makeup is kind of messed up from all day at work, and my nails are pretty grown out. I haven't gotten a chance to get in to get a fill. Nonetheless, I did want to share the true unboxing with you guys, so let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so you probably already know that this item is a Chanel item. I've actually wanted this item for a while, and I finally got a text last week from one of the SAs that I've kept contact with that the item was in, so I am super excited to show you guys. This is actually a birthday present to myself. My birthday is in May, so it is pretty early, but I had to jump on it or they were going to be sold out again. So let's go ahead and open up my birthday present. Alright, so this is what the box looks like. I have my trusty knife, and I'm going to go ahead and cut into it. I should probably get a box cutter. I always say that, but I still haven't. So be careful here. Here it is. Alright, paper. More paper. And here it is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so here is the package. Let's see what else is in the box. Okay, more like stuffing, so let's put the box to the side. Just a little Chanel booklet. Okay, and inside of it is just my receipt, and I will be sharing the pricing information with you guys in a bit. Let's first unbox this bad boy, and it looks like the SA was nice enough to put the item in a bag. She's so cute. She sent me the bag and everything. Oh, I'm so excited, guys. The packaging is gorgeous. Look at this. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it. Okay, and it looks like it's in tissue paper. And here is the item. Oh my gosh, guys, look at the packaging. Seriously, so pretty. Do you guys ever feel like you don't even want to open the package because the packaging is everything? Seriously, that is me right now. I'm not even sure how to take this off. So there's a little bow. And the flower's just sitting on it. Alright, so here's the Chanel box, and let's try to open this. Okay. And that's, I think, a little care booklet. Alright, and then here is the price, which I will show you guys in a little bit. But the item comes in this, let's see, little pouch. It's like velvet, and it also says Chanel. Okay. Here we go. And here are my babies. Just got the Chanel Classic studs. Alright, and here's a close-up of the earrings. They were $375. Taxes, it came out to be like $400 and something. They are in the color silver. Very, very pretty. Oh, and they are in the size small for those of you interested. So I've put them on, and this is what they look like, if it'll focus. What do you guys think? I feel like they're so pretty. So that's all that I have for you guys today. Again, thank you so much for joining me. If you have any questions, let me know. It's always a pleasure to share these moments with you guys. I know that if you're probably watching, it's because you enjoy luxury goods, and it's just fun to have people to share it with that truly enjoy them as well. So thank you so much for joining me again. I hope that you guys have a blessed day, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye!